Okay, guys, so let's do the weekly forecast. Okay, and this is going to be the second week of the September. So we're going to start with first DXY dollar index. So last week we discussed, okay, this week, and this is the current week candle is printing right now. Okay, last week discussed we looking for sell from this weekly bearish fair value gap, right? We have seen very nice rejection from this weekly bearish fair value gap, and still I am looking for market to take out this low and this external range liquidity right now. Okay, sorry. So first of all, let's come to the forex factory to see which day we have read. So आज मंडे था, so today we don't have any red folder news. आज कुछ red folder news नहीं था, so I avoided Monday. And usually I basically wait for Monday candle to print, okay, to see कि क्या कोई daily fair value gap form कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है. So tomorrow, basically on Tuesday, we have no news on USD. So we can anticipate कि USD pairs थोड़ा maybe consolidate करे, maybe थोड़ा choppy रहे, ठीक है. Wednesday we have big high impact news, that is CPI. Okay, one of the major high impact news. Okay, so mm, uh, if you're going to look for intraday on major pair USD pairs में, then better कि आप CPI का वेट करो, then post CPI में अगर कोई सेटअप मिल रहा है तब ट्रेड करो. और Thursday Friday will be better for USD pairs. Okay, so let's see. So let's come to weekly. Still I am looking for bearish move. Okay, अगर ये weekly bearish fair value gap inverted fair value gap बनता है, then maybe we looking for upside move to fill this weekly bearish fair value gap. But right now we holding this. So let's see. Let's go to daily time frame. On day time frame, you can see we are at now this daily bearish fair value gap. Okay, and this is today's candle, Monday candle. So लेट्स से अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग को H1 H4 में बैक साइड मूव मिलता है, ओके, रिजेक्शन मिलता है, देन वी कैन लुक फॉर सेल एंड वी कैन लुक फॉर टारगेट दिस एक्सटर्नल और दिस रिलेटिव equal low liquidity. Okay, so let's say tomorrow if we start seeing some H1 H4 backside move, okay, then we can look for basically sell right on DXY. So अगर DXY daily bearish value gap से नीचे जाएगा तो of course EU GU will go up, right? So this is what I'll be looking for. Okay, let me delete this. So right now it's holding this daily bearish value gap. Let's see tomorrow, Tuesday or Wednesday, how it plays out. So still bias is bearish on DXY. So let's come to Euro USD. On EU, I'm still waiting for market to tap this weekly bullish fair value gap. Once it will tap this weekly bullish fair value gap, then I'll be looking for long setup. So still waiting in this. Okay, GPUSD looks good for now. Maybe we will do some deeper retracement, but we will see. Again, अगर USD यहाँ daily से reject होना start करता है, then we can look for long on UGU as well. Okay, so हम लोग basically DXY monitor करेंगे, ठीक है. On GPUSD, we are at this weekly fair value gap that's overlapping with this as well, order block and this high. So let's see daily time frame. So on daily, we are at this bullish fair value gap. Yeah, we have so many daily bullish value gap, no doubt, but this is overlapping right now. Okay, so to be honest, for me, GUU not look so clean. Okay, but DXY looking so clean because it's rejected from this weekly bearish value gap. It created new daily bearish value gap, and if it hold and start giving me rejection, okay, then of course I'll be looking for EUGU then. Okay, but right now I just want to wait for the setup to form. Okay, so nothing for me on right now. So I'll see again DXY. I'll wait for DXY. So USD CAD, my bias is bearish because we are in this weekly bearish fair value gap, also inside this daily bearish fair value gap. So same thing, looks like we're going to create this bullish fair value gap. Okay, so let's see how Tuesday candle print. Let's say Tuesday closed bearish. Okay, so let's mark this red. So let's say Tuesday closed bearish, for example, okay, and created this inverted fair value gap. Then Wednesday, Thursday can be nice sell off, right? So we have to wait, not going to rush personally, okay? Maybe your setup is different from mine and follow your system, follow your plan. I am following my plan, okay? Let's check Euro odd. So Euro odd looks interesting. We basically holding this weekly bullish fair value gap. You can see last week we very strongly expanded upside. And if you see daily time frame, on daily we have going to create bullish fair value gap, daily bullish fair value gap, right? Okay, and you can overlap with this mitigation block. Okay, so this Monday candle is, let's see, in 3 hours it's going to close. If we're going to form this daily bullish fair value gap, then maybe we can look for easily internal to external, or we can target this old swing high on daily. Okay, but the first near term drawn liquidity will be this high. Okay, this external. So let's see, अगर हम लोग ये डेली फेयर वैल्यू गैप होल्ड करते हैं H1 H4 में मिलता है कंफर्मेशन, देन वी कैन लुक फॉर लॉन्ग. ओके, let's check GP odd. So same thing on GP odd as well. Okay, we holding this weekly fair value gap. Okay, and we have created new daily bullish fair value gap. And if you see the order flow, we had this bearish fair value gap, right? You can see this bearish fair value gap. काफी टाइम यहाँ से रिजेक्शन कैन, यू कैन सी बेसिकली मार्केट वाज इन ट्रैप्ड ऑर्डर फ्लो दैट टाइम. ओके, यू कैन सी वी कंसोलिडेटेड अ लॉट, राइट? देन फाइनली last week Friday को market closed very strongly and created this inverted fair value gap. So this bearish is shifting to bullish, right? And it's also respected this daily fair value gap. We have this daily bullish fair value gap as well. But let's see uh, if we get any confirmation in this daily bullish fair value gap. If we tap tomorrow and get H1 H4, we can look for long. Okay, same thing as on Euro odd. So we will see, and we have very large week. Okay, so I believe market is going to fill this week. Okay, if we're going to hold this level. So we will see. Still, Euro odd and GP odd looks bullish to me. Euro CAD. Let's check weekly time frame first of all. So on weekly we have small bearish fair value gap here, right? But this not looks good because we're holding this weekly bullish fair value gap. We have weekly bullish fair value gap, and we have this weekly bearish fair value gap as well. So it looks like a trapped order flow. Let's see daily. Yeah, not looks clean for now. So I'll avoid right now EuroCAD, GPCAD. Let's see, nothing on weekly. Let's see daily time frame. So same, nothing, no daily bullish value gap is forming right now. You can see when we was displacing from this low to this high, no daily bullish value gap. So अगर displacement fair value gap के साथ नहीं हो रहा तो it's showing a lack of momentum basically. मतलब momentum उतना नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है. Yeah, we are at this daily fair value gap, but not looks good for me personally. Okay, so I'll wait for more confirmation. Maybe I'll give more days, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's see how it plays out. Maybe by end of the week we will see something on EuroCAD, GPCAD. But for now, nothing. Okay. I was watching USD JPY. USD JPY was looking good basically. Okay. So you can see basically we have respected this weekly bearish fair value gap, right? We have discussed big there, and we have this very weekly, very strong candle, engulf candle, right? On daily you can see we have this equal low liquidity, right? Relative equal low liquidity. So if, for example, we start trading higher first, tap this daily bearish fair value gap, and H1 H4 में backside move मिलता है, then we can look for sell and we can target this relative equal low liquidity. Okay, so this is I am watching personally, but let's see if market open, trade first lower, grab this liquidity, this equal low, then trade this daily bearish value gap, then I'll be not interested too much. Okay, because market already swept the liquidity. So but if we trade first higher, fill this daily bearish value gap, and अगर यहाँ से rejection मिलता है, then we can look for target at this liquidity. Okay, so let's check 4 hour time frame as well. Nothing. So I'll wait and let's check Euro JPY. देखो वही सब कहानी है JPY पेयर्स का, स्टिल डेली बेयर्स वैल्यू गैप है, सो इफ वी trade higher then we can look for sell. Okay, still my bias basically still JPY, जो JPY है, जो ये सेकंड में JPY, it looks bullish. Okay, fundamentally as well JPY looks bullish. अगर JPY bullish है तो of course Euro JPY, GP JPY will trade lower, right? So we have to see, but we have to wait as well. GP JPY same thing here also. We have this daily bearish value gap, so we have to wait. Let's see odd. So odd JPY looks like we're going to create new daily bearish value gap. Okay, and this will be our target. So let's see on odd JPY as well. If you trade first higher daily bearish value gap and start seeing some rejection, then we can target this previous day high. It will be right. External liquidity, we can target that. So this will be I am monitoring. So personally, basically waiting for DXY, right? So waiting for DXY to start giving me backside move. Once they start giving me backside move, okay, once start giving backside move, for example, creating bearish fair value gap, displacement lower with bearish fair value gap, then we can look for the sell. And on DXY, then we can look for Euro GP USD hold long, okay. But for now, uh, Euro odd, GP odd, and USD JPY and odd JPY is in watch list basically, okay. So yeah, that's a basically weekly forecast from my side. See you guys on the next video. Take care.